Before using your Sharp Air Purifier for the first time, the air filters need to be removed from their protective plastic bags that were used to keep them fresh during shipping. If you operate your Sharp Air Purifier without removing the air filters from their plastic bags, the air purifier will not be able to clean the air of your room and you may hear a loud flapping sound. To remove the air filters from their plastic bags, first open the back panel of your air purifier and remove the filters. Next, remove the plastic bags from your air filters. Then place your air filters in your air purifier. Finally, replace the back panel of your air purifier. Your Sharp Air Purifier is ready for use.